तो देखिए कैसे करेंगे अभी हम लोग। So first what I am going to do here, we are going to see the we have to understand for each method always takes the object of consumer class, and consumer class is the interface class. So now we have to see how this method will be take to that. So here I am going to just change the value to store in the collection framework like to this. Okay, and we are taking the list interface class, we are taking the reference of this class, arrays is the class, and dot as list is the method. That means we are going to store this value inside to this, and this is the reference of. So what I am going to do here, I am taking the first consumer class, consumer interface class. Okay, consumer, this is the consumer, you have to just see, and this is the java.util.function पैकेज में इंक्लूड है, इसको हम लोग ओपन करते हैं। और कंज्यूमर क्लास का हमने एक इसके साथ इंटीजर डेटा को हम बोले हैं कि एक्सेस करो, क्योंकि हमने इंटीजर डेटा स्टोर किया हुआ है। एंड नाउ वी आर टेकिंग द ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ दिस क्लास न्यू, राइट, क्लास नेम come to that consumer consumer interface class, and finally you have to the see automatic this override method is coming, that is the public void accept method you have to the see. So this you have to the lambda expression we are going to the use here, right? So finally I am going to take the consumer class, this is the interface class, we are going to create object of new class name generic concept constructor here open to this, and here is the closing, and this is the lambda expression. So through that we can use the object that is the reference of this interface class, and this is the method is the override method is already predefined implemented in this class, right? So here we are going to the override. So public void accept is the method, and in that we are passing the parameter is the integer, and we are taking the reference is the t, and here throws new unsupported operation exception. तो यहाँ पर एक थ्रो करा रहे हैं हम, ये थ्रो कीवर्ड हम लोग यूज करते थे जब हमें कोई चीज़ एरर आ रही है और हमको फोर्सफुली थ्रो करना हो, तो वहाँ पर हम इसका यूज करते हैं। और दिस इज द यूजर डिफाइंड, दिस इज द प्री डिफाइंड अनसपोर्टेड एक्सेप्शन इज देयर एंड नॉट सपोर्टेड येट। तो अगर कोई भी एरर आती है, एक्सेप्शन होती है, तो उसको ये सपोर्ट हैंडल करेगा, मैनेज करेगा, राइट? So now in that what I am going to do, we are going to fetch the some value here, right? So we are going to use here in that class, we are going to fetch the value of this all this data, so s dot out, and we are going to fetch the value of my, I am taking the any name you can take, I am just taking the I here, right? So whatever is value here, it will be fetch here, right? Now we have to the see, sorry, here we not pass the I, because whatever you are passing the reference here, you pass here that same way like this. Okay, now in that you are going to what our intention, this is taking the object of this consumer class, right? So this object will be take for each method. So here I am going to use the values dot, sorry, I written the wrong, right? So values dot, we have to the for each method will be the count, write down, and in that you can see automatic take this consumer class object, you have to the see here, right? And now that's why I was saying to that for each method always take the object of consumer class. So consumer is a class, we are taking the object of this, and in that we are going to use the lambda expression, this method is override there, and we are going to print the value of all this collection framework inside to this, right? And finally it will be iterate approach will be used, and for each method is responsible to fetch your data, right? And this is the object is taken by the consumer interface class, right? Now we are going to the run and see that code. You can see it fetching the 12, but remaining part is not, what is that? Only 12 is fetching, see here. Get a point? So, Okay, so if I am just moving to this one, why is taking to this not supported? कोई एरर है नहीं तो मुझे इसकी देने की क्या जरूरत है? That's why your code was running. Okay, another time I'm going to the run. Yeah, see, that is the output is coming 12, 30, 60, 80, right? Because in that method we are going to face the value here, right? So we have to the all the implement part here. Got it? Any doubt? All of you? So now we are going to stop to this process. This is the
Yes, sir.
for each method it's take the object of the consumer interface class. Okay, right.